Okay. Yeah, I didn't do any car footage. When I went out with my mum, I did car footage, but I didn't do any car footage today. As you can see, the weather is English. It is the 28th of June, and we are at, meaning me and my friend James. I don't know if he even got in shot then. We are at Cogs
Manor House.
Cogges Manor House and Farm in Oxfordshire. I don't really know where we are. It's a Monday morning. I've been working all weekend and I don't really know what's going on. But I have this 2-for-1 card for all these gardens. That's why I went to Riverhill with my mum in Kent the other day. And now we're here. So I'm going to show you what's up here and the gardens, and I think there's lots of farm animals, so that's my main reason for coming. Look how fluffy this chicken is. Hello. That's not how you feed goats. That's not how you feed goats.
That's how you use a finger.
No, you your hand flat, and you get distracted and drop it for a chicken.
Oh, you're really hungry, aren't you? Oh no, you stole it!
They've never been fed a day in their life.
Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, they're like little pincers on your hand. This is goat spaghetti. This is such a big allium compared to my one at home is like a tennis ball, and this is like a football. Wow.
How was your garlic leaf, by the way?
I dug it up.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Fully dried that, or is it still dried?
I think it's fully dried. Did you not open your present?
Oh, not yet, no. Oh, is that one of the things?
Shit! They're so alien.
This hasn't got them.
You can eat Nigella seeds, yeah. And the flowers. You can put the flowers in salads. They're usually quite easy to grow, but mine this year haven't done very well. Look, there's the apple crop coming in already.
Yeah.
Yeah, Espalier trained apples all the way along.
Other varieties of apples onto the right.
You could, yeah. So you could have crazy multi-fruit trees. I don't know, grafting's quite an art though. I've not learnt to do grafting. It's something I want to learn to do this winter actually. These onions are so more impressive than my onions. My onions are tiny.
What's the thing that's growing out of the top of the flowers?
The bulbous thing, yeah, that's the flower. So that will open up and it will look like the alliums that we saw, the decorative ones, but probably not purple. They're usually white when they're just onion ones. I've never seen alliums like this.
I saw a gigantic dandelion head the other day. It's about as big as my fist.
What? That's amazing. These are so cool. Stop.
Wait, no, I need to get closer.
Have you seen the roses on the archway though? They're really amazing. The little bunches of. Yeah, let's loop around. My courgettes are bigger too.
It's rude to brag about
this is. Wow, look at the currants.
Oh wow.
I've never seen currant bushes trained against the wall actually. That's a really good idea. Yeah. Because usually they're just in a bush. So here's an example of two different poppies we've got here. This is the field poppy, I think, Papava reyes. So it has the small little seed heads like this, and then these ones here and over there are Papava somniferum, which is the opium poppy or the more decorative poppy. So you end up with really big, beautiful flower heads, and then they make opium from the seed heads, and you can also get seeds for your pastries or buns or whatever. And that weird noise you can hear in the background is a rooster having a mental breakdown. Cardoons or artichokes? I think cardoons because they've got spiky heads, whereas artichokes have more rounded buds on there. Did the Tudors grow bananas? No. Sad times. Hell. Did we grow grapes in Tudor times? I thought it was too cold during that period. And I was right.
Wait, no, there's a vine.
Disputed facts here. James says there's a grapevine at Hampton Court Palace, so now we have to go to Hampton Court Palace so we can fact check whether the Tudors grew grapes.
And play tennis.
And played tennis. Well, we knew they played tennis. I like this method of using upside down plant pots with chalk on them as markers for the different pumpkin varieties. That's cool. So all in all, a very beautiful kitchen garden. Looks very productive too. Wow. It's like a giraffe. Look how far they come from the top. It's like you can't even get me in shot with it.
Mallards that have been dipped in black and white paint.
They just painted some regular ducks. Secret trails and boggy zones. There's a turkey. Hello.
That's what dinosaurs really look like.
My camera is like refusing to focus. Here we see the rare Gloucestershire no spot, no skin, no pig.
I like Quink.
Quink?
Quink.
It's called Quink. Dash and Roxy. Ever since we talked to that turkey, it will not shut up. You've seen my injustice, you must free me.
People like, oh no, someone's talked to the turkey again.
Talk to that fucking turkey.
I think these empty ones are so we can play them in and write our names on the board.
Rue and James, non-breeding pair.
Yes, to you too.
Hi, Bubs.
Did you ever think that the guinea pigs and show them like this is what it'll be when you grow up?
No.
Oh.
I don't think it's fair to encourage dreams. Unreasonable dreams. Ah. This is where the cows would be if we had any. But we don't. Probably where they round up school children and make them do worksheets that they don't really want to do.
Oh yeah, the worst part of every field trip.
What was the point? Just let people have fun.
I always found them really patronising as well.
Yeah, they were always like stupid easy, and if you did them too quick, the teachers would get mad at you.
Like, we just came here so I could have a sit down.
Okay, we're going. Bye, farm.
Oh,
Ew, what is that? Idiot, like, as a textiles artist, I am insulted. I like that as well. I think that's cool. I don't like that.
I think they've captured his, like, dead-eyed expression.
Could be worse. There could be Matt Hancock next. That's it, we're done. That's Cogges Manor Farm. Cogges Manor Cafe Farm. Cogges Manor House Farm. Goat place. And yeah, I got to touch some animals, so that was cool. I built up my immune system with goat germs now. Yeah, it's nice. Can we get a 20-second summary of your thoughts on Cogges Manor House Farm Cafe?
Goats, good. Coffee, good. Boris Johnson embroidery, let's go.
Yay! Okay, bye! So here's a roundup of the essential facts about Cogges Manor Farm. There, I finally got the name right. The site itself is set across 17 acres with a walled kitchen garden, an orchard with rare apple varieties, lots of play areas, a woodland walk and meadows, as well as the 13th century manor house and 18th century farm buildings. When we visited, unfortunately because of the pandemic, the manor house wasn't open, but it looks like from their website in non-pandemic times the manor house itself is open and you can tour that as well. The site itself is very accessible with everything on one level, so it's suitable for both wheelchair users and people with children in buggies, though I imagine after heavy rains the meadow and orchard area can get quite boggy, so watch out for that. We went on a Monday and were able to pet the goats, but it looks like that at the weekend they do meet the animal sessions where you can meet some more of their animals, including the guinea pigs and the rabbits. I think it's a really good site for people of all ages. There's loads for kids to do, and if like me you're a big kid at heart and you just want to hang out and pet some goats and look at ponies, it's a good day out for you too. If you're local and want something new to do, it's worth looking up their adult learning courses. Again, this seems to be suspended because of COVID-19, but it looks like in the past they have, and in the future they're hoping to resume adult learning courses where they teach a range of heritage skills. All in all, I had a really nice day out at Cogges Manor Farm. It was lovely to see such a functional kitchen garden, and who doesn't like petting goats?
I mean, I'm like tough. I can handle, getting hit in the leg. It's just, not from I consider you a friend.